This is from section C, chemistry 12, BIEK 2025, question number 5b. Draw the structure of any eight of the following. So we will discuss all of these. The first one is the benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Dioic acid. So it is very easy. Draw the benzene ring and two carboxyl group on 1 and 4 position. If it is 1, then definitely this is the fourth position. Okay. The next is ethyl neopentyl ether. Ethyl neopentyl ether. So ether means there is one oxygen, and on either side there are two alkyl groups. So the two alkyl groups, one is ethyl. So you can draw CH2, CH3 on one end. This is the ethyl. And on the other hand, you draw the new pentane, means new pentyl group. Remove one of the hydrogen from any 1 degree carbon atom. So this is new pentyl group. So it becomes the compound ethyl new pentyl ether. It is two, not two, it is three. Now the next one is the benzophenone. Benzophenone. So benzophenone is actually there are two benzene ring linked with carbonyl carbon, and it is actually formed when benzoyl chloride reacts with benzene uh, in a condition of the Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this benzophenone is formed. And next one is para-cresol. Para-cresol. Cresol are the compounds containing where benzene has two functional groups. One is the methyl group and another is the OH phenol group. So if they are on para position on each other, then this is called para-cresol. If they are on meta position, then they are called meta-cresol. So this is para-cresol. Next is the divinyl acetylene. Divinyl acetylene, I have discussed it in one of the video. Divinyl acetylene. So first we should know what is divinyl, what is vinyl, and what is acetylene. So we know acetylene is ethine. Ethine is called acetylene, and vinyl group is when you remove one of the hydrogen from ethine. This is ethene. And if you remove one of the hydrogen from ethene, any one of the hydrogen, suppose we have removed this, so one valency got free. This is called vinyl. So here the name is divinyl acetylene. So first we will draw the acetylene, remove the hydrogen from there, and attach two vinyl groups. So one vinyl is here there is a double bond and another vinyl is there. So this is divinyl acetylene. So that was the rougher, so we should remove this. And the next one is Neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl, as we have already seen here, this is the Neopentyl group. So the Neopentyl, this is Neopentyl, Neopentyl alcohol. So we will draw the Neopentyl group, CH3, 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 CH3. This is Neopentane. But if we remove any of the hydrogen from this compound, so it becomes CH2 and alcohol group is substituted there. So this is called Neopentyl alcohol. And then this is the beta-methylbutyric acid. Beta position has methyl group. So how can you write this beta-methyl? So first of all, we should note that this is the common name, beta-methyl butyric acid. Butyric acid has 4 carbon atoms. So this is a 4 carbon atom containing compound, a carboxylic acid containing 4 carbon atoms. So this is carboxylic acid as it has 4 carbon atom. So we can draw CH2, CH2 and CH3. So this is 4 carbon containing compound. And here, if we count the carbon atom, this is the functional group. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, and this is gamma carbon. So on the beta carbon, we have to put one methyl group. So now it becomes beta-methyl butyric acid. And now see the next one. Next one is 3-chlorobenzamide. So first of all, we should know the compound is 3-chlorobenzamide. So we know it is a very well-known compound that on benzene ring, an amide linkage is there. You can draw it anywhere. So this is the structure of benzamide. But on the third position, there is chlorine. So it becomes 3-chlorobenzamide. Now the next is resorcinol. Resorcinol. Resorcinol is one of the dihydric uh, phenol. Phenols are the compounds containing OH group on any aromatic ring. So we can draw it in a better way. So when two OH groups are present on any alternate position, so they are called 1,3-benzenediol or resorcinol. And after resorcinol, we have tert-butyl chloride. Tert-butyl chloride. So first we should draw the tertiary butyl group. Tert-butyl means tertiary butyl. This is the tertiary butyl group. This is the 3-degree carbon because it has 4 other carbon containing groups. So chloride would be there. So it becomes tertiary butyl chloride. So these were the 8 structures. Not 8 structures are more than 8, but in examination only 8 were asked to draw. So this is now we will see the other questions.